You are worried that your ginger gets bad easily? Watch this video till the end. I'll be teaching you 3 steps on how to preserve your ginger. Number 3 is my favorite, so make sure you stay behind and watch it till the end. Do well to like, share and subscribe. I went ahead to wash my ginger and I divided it into 3 portions because I'll be teaching us 3 ways on how to preserve it. I chopped it and gave it the shape I wanted. The first one we're going to be doing is by drying. So for those of you that make spices, this will be the best way to do it. But please, if you're using it for spices, I will advise you peel off the skin before you go ahead to dry it. You can dry using your oven, you can dry using your air fryer, or you can sun dry it. That's like one of the natural way to do it. And after that, I went ahead to flip it to the other side. For the purpose of this video, I air fried so we can get it fast. Now moving on to the second step, for those of you that use it for food, that's to make ginger paste. You blend it, but I'm using mine for zobo drink. That is why I didn't peel off the skin. But if you're using yours for food, do well to peel off the skin. Now this is it, we have our paste, and we'll be moving on to the third one, which is my favorite. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll be dropping more things on this page. So this is the third step. I love this because it maintains the flavor and keep the flavor for me for as long as I store it in my freezer. This is what the dry one looks like. This is our paste, and this is the one I use my mortar to prepare. I'll go ahead to package that in my Ziploc bag so I can store it in my freezer. Thank you so much for staying back. Let me know what next you would want me to teach you how to do in the comment section. Please show me love. This is my first long video on YouTube. Now look at how pretty these guys are looking. You can keep this for as long as 6 months in your freezer and nothing will happen. And this is what mine looks like in the freezer already. Thank you so much for watching till this point. Do well to subscribe.